Hello audience, today I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp PDF unsupported file type problem. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. At first your phone settings. Now scroll down. Now click apps. Now click on search bar. Now search Google Play Service. Now scroll down. Now click on storage. Now click clear cache and clear data. Now back. Now click on force stop. Now go back. Now search bar. Search your WhatsApp. Now scroll down. Now click on storage. Now click clear cache and clear data. Now click force stop. Now go back. Now click your WhatsApp app and now click your PDF file. Now your PDF file open. Hopefully your problem solved. Thank you for my watching. Subscribe now.